I bought and tested these oven microwave combos so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a real buyer navigating the sea of kitchen appliances, I'm here to share my honest insights on the top 5 products available right now. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Product number 1, Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven. I recently brought home the Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven, and I have to say, it's been a game changer in my kitchen. With a compact size of 12.93 by 17.52 by 9.53 inches, it fits perfectly on my countertop without taking up too much space. One of the standout features is its 0.7 cubic feet capacity and 700 watts of power, which is surprisingly robust for such a small microwave. I love that it has 10 power levels, allowing me to choose the perfect setting for whatever I'm heating up, whether it's melting butter or zapping leftovers. One night, I decided to test out the 6 cooking presets, including popcorn, pizza, and veggies. I simply pressed the popcorn button and sat back, watching as the microwave worked its magic. Within minutes, I had a bowl of perfectly popped corn, which was a delightful surprise. The digital controls make it easy to customize cooking times, and the plus 30 seconds button is a lifesaver when I'm in a hurry. Product number 2, Toshiba EM131A5C-SS Countertop Microwave, which has quickly become one of my favorites. This sleek stainless steel microwave features a spacious 1.2 cubic feet capacity and a powerful 1,000 watts of output, making it perfect for busy kitchens. The first time I used it, I was impressed by its smart humidity sensor technology, which automatically adjusts the cooking time based on the moisture content of the food. I made a frozen lasagna, and I didn't have to worry about it being overcooked or undercooked. It came out perfectly. The microwave also includes 6 preset menus, which cover everything from pizza to veggies. I particularly love that it offers 10 unique power levels, allowing me to customize my cooking to fit various dishes. The easy defrost function is a standout for me, as I often forget to take meat out of the freezer in advance. With just a few button presses, I can defrost by weight or time. On the downside, the microwave size may not be ideal for everyone, especially if you have limited counter space. Additionally, while the controls are user-friendly, the display could benefit from better backlighting, making it easier to read in dim light. Product number 3, Toshiba ML-EM09PABS Small Microwave Oven. The Toshiba ML-EM09PABS is another solid option I tested. This small microwave packs a punch with a 0.9 cubic feet capacity and 900 watts of power. At first glance, its black stainless steel design caught my eye, blending seamlessly into my kitchen aesthetics. I was drawn to its compact size, making it perfect for small spaces or apartments. One of the features I appreciated was the 2-step child lock, which adds a layer of safety for families. As someone who often has little ones around, knowing I can prevent accidental openings is a huge plus. The 6 preset menus made cooking a breeze. I used the popcorn setting during a movie night, and it popped perfectly without burning. However, I did notice some limitations. While it has 11 unique power levels, I found that the controls can be a bit confusing at first. It took me a couple of tries to get used to the timer and settings. Additionally, while it's great for quick meals, it might not have enough capacity for larger families or big dinner parties. Product number 4, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven has turned my cooking game upside down. This 1800-watt powerhouse combines 8 cooking functions, including air fry, convection, and broil. When I first unboxed it, I was amazed at its sleek stainless steel finish and spacious capacity, which can handle up to 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza. I decided to try air frying some chicken wings, and they came out crispy and delicious without the guilt of deep frying. The adjustable temperature dial and 60-minute timer make it incredibly user-friendly. I also loved the Air Advantage technology, which optimizes airflow for evenly cooked food. The first time I used it, I was skeptical about how well it would work, but I was blown away by the results. The wings were done in under 30 minutes, and they were perfectly browned and crispy. On the downside, it does take up a fair amount of counter space, which might be a concern for those with smaller kitchens. Also, the cleaning process can be a bit tedious due to the various components that need to be washed separately. Product number 5, Gourmet Toaster Oven Digital Air Fryer. Last but certainly not least, I tested the Gourmet Toaster Oven Digital Air Fryer. With a sleek silver design and a compact footprint, this oven offers a remarkable 12 preset functions, from air frying to broiling. The first time I used it, I made a batch of homemade fries, and I couldn't believe how crispy they turned out using minimal oil. The FryForce 360 technology ensures that hot air circulates evenly, resulting in perfectly cooked food every time. The large capacity is impressive. I easily fit a 9-inch pizza inside. With 3 rack positions, I had the flexibility to cook multiple items at once, which is a huge time saver. The convection mode promotes even heat distribution, making it a reliable option for any dish. However, despite its many features, it does lack some advanced settings that you might find in pricier models. The display could also be a bit more intuitive, as I found myself flipping through the manual initially to figure out certain functions. For anyone looking for a budget-friendly appliance that offers versatility and ease of use, the Gourmet Toaster Oven Digital Air Fryer is a fantastic option. Priced at $89.99, it's a great deal for the features you get. If you're in the market for a reliable air fryer and toaster oven combo, this is definitely one to consider.